So she said something about this top bead, and what is that in the middle? Do you remember what she said? Or not really?
Yeah.
So how much is each bead at the top worth, do you think? Up here.
I think there are 4 beads up there.
So 4 beads up here? Okay. So this one right here I'm touching. How many beads are there? There's 1, right?
1.
But this 1 bead, how much do you think it's worth? What do you think its value is?
It's about...
Okay, so you said there's 4 beads down here, right? There's 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
Each one down here is worth 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. But at the top, we call these upper beads. These are special, and each one equals 5. So this is what I was talking about with here. So the upper beads here, this one up here is an upper bead, and it's worth 5. It's a special bead. These lower beads down here, there's 4 of them, but each one is only worth 1. Okay?
Yeah.
So this middle line is the center line. Anything touching the center line is the, whatever bead is closer to the center line is the answer. So let's look at some examples of numbers. So if I want a number 1, I'm going to put on my laser pointer for you. But do you see how this number 1 bead is closer to this yellow line?
Yeah.
So this number equals 1. Number 2 means there's 2 lower beads touching the middle line. This is 2. Once we hit 3, once we have 4, do we have any more beads at the bottom? There's only 4 beads, right? So what happens when we hit 4? What happens after 4? How are we going to put down 5? We're going to put down 1 upper bead. Because remember how the upper bead is special and it equals 5? So 1 upper bead, if we put the 1 upper bead closer to this yellow line, the answer is 5. How do we make number 6? We're going to put 1 upper bead and 1 lower bead, because this top one equals how many, Eric? This top bead equals
5.
Yes, and how much is this bottom bead equal?
It equals
what?
I finished the first page.
It equals 1.
1, yes. Okay. Angel, can you turn the page and do the one behind it? So this one's minuses. Make sure you
Basically, page
minus,
number 2.
Yes, do page number 2 for now. All right, so what's 5 plus 1 then, Eric? 5 plus 1 equals?
5 plus 1, I know, it equals 6.
Yes, equals 6. That's why this top one equals 5. You have a bottom one, that is 6. What about this one? We have 5 and 2 lower beads. What is 5 plus 2?
It equals 7.
Good job, Eric. Okay, what is 5? And there's 3 lower beads. What's 5 plus 3?
5 plus 3, it equals 8.
And then what's 5 plus 4?
5 plus 4 is 9.
Yes, so do you see how there's 9 looks like this? There's 1 upper bead and 4 lower beads. 8 has 1 upper bead, 3 lower beads. Okay, are you ready? I'm gonna quiz you now on reading them now, because you seem to know them. All right, are you ready? Okay, what number is this one?
This number is 3.
Are you sure? This number right here. So count, do you see this little line in the middle?
Yeah.
This one equals what? How many?
Yeah.
How much is the top one equal again?
It equals 5.
Yes, so if we have 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8, right? 5 and 3 lower beads. 5 plus 3 is what?
Is 8.
Yes, so this number is 8. Okay, what about this one? What number is this one, Eric?
It's this number That number, it is 6.
This number right here?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, let's do some review back then. I think you're having a hard time with this. Okay, so let's go back. I'm going to. Okay, so each top bead equals 5, right? These, we call them, do you see this yellow line? If it's above the yellow line, like the little T, then that equals 5, and it's an upper bead. If it's under the yellow line, then it is considered a lower bead, and there's 4 lower beads. So we see that there's 1 here,
Oh,
2, 3, 4. Each one equals 1. So
what? I can't hear you. Oh, now I can.
okay, is your internet okay? I see you're frozen. Okay,
Yeah.
can you hear me now, Eric?
Yeah.
All right, so each top here, above this yellow line, this is an upper bead. So each upper bead equals 5. Can you remember that? Upper bead equals 5, okay? 5.
Yeah.
Each lower bead equals 1. 1.
1.
And how many lower beads are
One.
there?
4.
1. Yes, there's 4 lower beads, but each lower bead equals 1. There's only 1 upper bead, and each upper bead equals 5. Okay?
Yeah.
All right, so if I were to write the number 1, I only put up 1 lower bead because that's 1. If I want number 2, I'm going to put up 2 lower beads because that's 2. If I want 3, then I put 3 lower beads. 4, I put 4 lower beads. But we only have 4 lower beads, right? So if I want number 5, I'm going to put down 1 upper bead. Okay?
Yeah.
If I want number 6, I need to combine an upper bead and a lower bead. So I'm going to put 1 upper bead and 1 lower bead. 5 plus 1 equals 6.
6.
If I want 7, I'm going to combine 1 upper bead and 2 lower beads because 1 upper bead is 5 plus 2 equals 7. If I want 8, I'm going to put 1 upper bead and 3 lower beads because 5 plus 3 equals
8.
Good job. All right, last one. 5 plus 4 equals
9.
Yes, fantastic. Okay, are you ready for your quiz now, Eric?
Yeah.
Yes? All right, so after that little quick session, what number is this then? What's this answer?
I think that number is 1.
Good job. Okay, what number is this one beside it?
I think it's 6.
Awesome. All right, what about this number?
I think it's 2.
Good job. All right, I want you to be a little more confident in your answers. Let's go through this round as fast as you can. Okay, ready? What number is this one?
I think that is 7.
Okay, next.
It's 6.
Next.
It's 2.
Next.
It's 9.
Good job. Next one. A trick one. What's this answer?
It's 0.
Good job. Okay, what about this one?
It's 5.
Yes, awesome. Okay, are you ready for your lightning round? We're gonna stop at this one,
Yeah.
but just say the answer as fast as you can. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah. And the first one is 6.
Keep going.
And the next one is 8.
Keep going.
And the third one is 5.
Yep.
And the
What's
fourth
this one?
one is 1.
That's this one.
It's 7.
And this one.
It's 2.
Yes, good job. Okay, that's easy, right? It's not that hard to read them, right,
Yeah.
Eric? All right, now we're going to talk about two columns. So before, this only has one little column that we're looking at, right? This is 7.
Yeah.
What if there were 2 of them? So let's talk about that now. If there's 2, the first one is 1's column. The one beside it is 10's column. So we read it just like we're looking at it. So this is the 1's column. The one closest to this black edge is the 1's column. The one beside it is 10's column. So how many beads are in the 1's column?
The beads are in the 1's column. There are 1 bead at the top and 2 beads at the bottom.
Yeah, so what number is this?
The beads that are on the bottom, that number is 2.
Okay, now
And
together.
the bead that
What number is a 5 plus 2 equal? What does this look like?
it's 7.
Good job. Okay, what's the one here then look like?
That one, it's 3.
Yes, so when we write it out, we would just write the 7 and the 3. Don't add the numbers together. Don't add 7 plus 3 equals 10. You write it out like it's a 10's column. So technically this 10's one is actually 30. So what's 3 and 7 together? What number is that? How do you read 3 and 7?
3 and 7 together, that number makes 37.
Good job. Yes. So this is how you would read the number 37, okay?
Yeah.
What about this number? So I see that the answers are down here, but try not to look at them, okay? What number is here?
5.
Okay, what number is here?
It's 8.
Yes, so if I was going to write it out, I put a 5 here and an 8, but you read it like the way you look at it. So this number is what? 8 and a 5 together is what?
It's 85.
Awesome. All right, 2 more left, okay? What number is this one on the very right?
It is 3.
What number is this one on the left?
It's 8.
So how do you read 8 and 3?
Oh,
How do you read this number?
uh,
Am I frozen?
now I can't hear you.
I think your Wi-Fi is having a few problems. Okay, can you hear me, Eric?
Yeah.
All right, what number is this one then?
Finish the page.
Okay, just give me 2 minutes, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. That number is 8.
80 what? What's the 3 here?
It's 83.
Yes. Yes, Angel?
When I got my book, is there supposed to be glitter on it? Because I see glitter.
Glitter? No, there's not supposed to be glitter on it. But now
Well,
you
I
have
see
sparkles on
glitter
your
on it.
page.
Yeah. And just like get off and it's stuck there. So great.
Okay, last one. And then I'm gonna get Eric to do some work while I help you with your work. Okay, Angel? All right. This number, which one is this one, Eric?
That number that's on the top, that is 5.
Okay, and what's the one on the right?
4.
Yeah, so what
Yeah.
number is a 5 and 4?
It's 54.
Yes, awesome job. Okay, so I'm gonna first get you to do some bead reading. Stop sharing, and then okay, so Eric, you have your pen and paper in front of you?
Yeah.
All right, can you take it out?
Um,
We're going to,
I have to take it out.
Okay, I'm gonna share my screen and there's gonna be something on the board. I want you to draw these beads out. So you can draw little T's. And then after you draw the T's, then you can draw out each number because you don't have the physical paper. So I'm gonna get you to write it on your paper. Do you see my screen? So do you see how, make this a little bigger for you. Number 1, you're gonna draw a T and draw 1 under, and I want you to draw 1 only 3 times. You don't need to draw it this many times, okay? Number 2, I want you to draw number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8.
I draw number 2. It goes like this. I draw a T and I draw
And 2 little circles under it.
under it.
Yes. Can you draw this for me?
Do you mean draw 2?
So you're gonna draw this T. Do you see this T here?
Yeah.
So do that and then put a little circle under to demonstrate number 1. For number 2, you're gonna draw a T and put 2 circles under. Number 3, you're gonna do 3. So do exactly what you see right here all the way till 0, okay? You're gonna work on that and I'm just gonna help Angel for a second, okay? All right, Angel. I'm just gonna mute you, okay, Eric? All right, oh, you're perfect muted. So Angel, can you go back to page 1?
Okay, are we gonna mark?
Yes, I wanna mark the page, just to make sure you did the questions correctly. Okay, so you can just go straight to the actual questions, not the equation ones at the top.
Okay.
What'd you get
We're
for
going
the
to the
first?
top ones and stuff. We're not doing the top ones.
Yeah, we're gonna skip that because I know you know how to do those.
Yeah.
All right, 1 to 10. You want to say what you got, and I'll do 11 to 20 after.
The first question was 46,
Yep.
45,
Mm-hmm.
68.
Yep.
69,
Awesome.
59,
Yep.
66,
Mm-hmm.
58,
Yep.
76,
Yep.
47,
Uh-huh.
79.
Good job. Okay, they're all perfect. I'm gonna do 11 to 20, okay?
Okay.
59, 57, 86, 59, 78, 97, 79, 59, 96, and 89. Are they all good? All right, turn to page 2 now. We're gonna do the minus. I feel
Give me a
you
second.
might. Was this one harder, the minus ones? Oh.
With my pencil, I accidentally drew a bit on my page.
That's okay. I think with the minus one, you might have a few corrections of this, or maybe not. We'll see. Okay, can you try the first row for me?
54,
Yep.
45,
Uh-huh.
68,
Yep.
42,
Uh-huh.
59,
Yep.
21,
Yep.
58,
Mm-hmm.
22.
Circle question 8.
Okay.
Question 9.
27,
Mm-hmm.
4.
Yes, good job. All right. Are you ready for 11 to 20?
Mhm.
Okay, 16, 13, 27, 59, 78, 36, 79, 13, 19, 89.
Okay, I got all right except for one.
Good job. Okay, can you tell me what you got for the equations on top though? With the minus 89, what did you write? Minus 82, sorry, minus 82. The one on the very right.
Okay. Minus 80 minus 2.
What'd you write for minus 28?
What's that?
The bottom right.
Okay. I put minus 20 minus 8.
And what did you write for minus 70, middle row? Middle column,
Minus
second
70
row.
is minus 7 minus 0. Like minus 70, not minus 7.
Yes, okay, minus 70 minus 0. Perfect, okay. Awesome. All right, so go to page 3A, and we're gonna quickly review one question, but I think you're gonna do well with this one. So this one has an extra row than usual. So
yeah,
page
and an
2,
extra, like an extra number.
yes, extra number in your row. So can you get your abacus out?
Yep.
So first question, what are the three numbers you see?
84 minus 73 plus 56.
Yes. So the first number you always see, you're just going to put that on your abacus. So you're just going to put 84 right away. Okay. And then the second number you see is minus 73. So technically, if I added an equal sign beside it, it would equal minus 70 and then minus 3. So you're going to do that on your abacus. You're going to minus 70.
Okay.
And then you're going to minus 3. You don't need a formula so far, right? No formula. You just minus 7 and minus
Well, this
3.
is good. No formula so far.
And then last thing is add 56. So you're going to add 50 in the second column, then add 6. And what's your answer?
67.
Yes. Do you see how there wasn't a formula of this one, but it's simple, right? Even though there's more numbers, it's simple. You're just going to add the beads together. So you can write down 67. Let's try the second question. So first put 63, then you're going to add 25, and then you're going to minus 67. What's your answer?
21.
Yes. See, so simple, right? The only tricky thing I find a lot of students, they always forget to minus the ones column. So for minus 67, they always forget to minus a 7 as well. They just think minus 6. Okay, so can you try this page for me?
Yes.
Okay, first page, and
I
let
think
me know.
I'm doing on the first 2 rows, like rows.
You want to try the first 2 rows?
Yeah, and then I'll tell you how I'm
Okay.
doing.
Okay, try the first 2 rows and let me know. I'm gonna check back with Eric. How are you doing, Eric? You're done?
I'm done.
Oh, let me see. I'm gonna stop sharing so I can see a bigger window of you. Wow, awesome job. Okay, wait, can you hold it there? Let me just read it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Good job, Eric. Okay, now we're gonna go over how to actually add the abacus now. So that was just simple, right? You're just drawing it, but let's go over how you would use it with a normal abacus. So if we wanted to do some equations, do you have your pen beside you, Eric? Can you grab your pen? So normally this is how we would hold our pen. So do you have take your hand out like this? Are you right-handed or left-handed? Right-handed? Okay, I assume you're right-handed. Put your pen flat onto your palm like this, and then wrap your 3 fingers around it. So you have your thumb and your finger. So it looks like this. Like this. Wrap your 3 fingers around it, and then you have your thumb and your this here. Yes. So then now when you're doing your abacus, well, you don't have a physical abacus, but you can switch in between thumb up and then adding, and then you can write your answer out and then switch. It's fast. Okay, so this is how you would hold your pen in your hand. So when it talks about thumb up, that means you're going to be adding 1. So that means this is my thumb, this is my finger. I'm going to use my thumb to add 1. I'm going to actually split my screen so then you can see what I'm talking about. a better visualization of it. Okay, let me just share my window. Okay, can you see both screens? Yes? Okay, so when I'm talking about adding 1, Eric, I'm going to use my thumb and push 1 abacus bead up like this. That equals 1. Add 2, I'm going to thumb up. Add 3, I'm going to thumb up. If I want to minus 2 from my answer, what does 3 minus 2 equal, Eric? What's 3 minus 2?
3 minus 2 equals 1.
Yes, 3 minus 2 equals 1. If we want to do that on our abacus, 3 take away 2, we're going to take away 1 lower bead and another one, and we're left with 1, right? That makes sense. That's how you're going to double check your answer. Yes, Angel? Yes, Angel?
Do I have to have my camera on?
No, you can turn your camera off.
Okay.
While you do your work. Okay. All right. Gavin also just texted me that Timmy's coming back. Okay. All right. So we have that is 3 minus 2 equals 1 left over, right? If I wanted to put the number 7, I'm going to bring together with my thumb and my finger the number 7. So 1 upper bead and 2 lower beads, 7. What's 7 take away 6? Timmy, hi Gavin.
Hello.
Hello.
I have to
Okay.
go. We went over the
Yes, no
plus
worries.
5. Yeah. Okay.
Formula?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Bye.
Thank you, Gavin.
See you later.
All right. So see you later. All right. So 5. This is 7, right? Eric? What's 7 minus 6?
7 minus 6 equals 1.
Yes. So if we wanted to minus 6, though, on our abacus, how do you think we would do it? So the number 6 looks like this, right? It's 1 upper bead and 1 lower bead. How would I take away 6 from this number on the right? Take away 6. What do you think I would do to take away 6 from 7?
It's
So do you remember how earlier we said 6 looks like this? 1 upper bead and 1 lower bead, right? Earlier when you're drawing it on your paper, this is number 6, right?
Right.
1 upper bead, 1 lower bead. Right now we have 7 and we want to take away 6. So to take away 6, we're going to take away 1 upper bead and 1 lower bead. So we're left with 1 again because 7 minus 6 equals 1. That makes sense, right? This is 1. Okay. What if I have number 9? This is number 9, right? Do you remember earlier you drew number 9?
Yeah.
What do you think 9 minus 7 is? What's 9 take away 7?
9 minus 7 it equals
9 minus
2.
7. Yes, 9 minus 7 equals 2. Good job. So if we want to do it on our abacus, so how do you think we're going to take away 7? 9 minus 7. Can you tell me what I need to remove?
You need to remove 9 and 8 and 7 and 6 and 5 and 4 and 3.
So right now we have 9, right? 9
Yeah.
take away 7. So on your paper, what does 7 look like? Can you tell me what 7 looks like?
7 looks like
What does 7 look like? 1 upper bead and How many lower beads for 7?
2.
Yes, okay, 2. You knew this is what it looks like that you drew on your paper, right?
Yeah.
So right now I have 9. If I want to take away 7, I need to take away the exact same thing. So I need to take away 1 upper bead and 2 lower beads. You see here, 1, 2. So I'm left over with 2. Okay? Yes, Angel?
Okay. I finished 2 rows.
You finished 2 rows?
The third
Okay,
one.
can you work on that? Yeah, work on the last one for now.
Think
All
I'm
right,
on to
awesome. Okay.
soon.
Okay. Timmy, are you here?
Yeah.
Okay. Did Gavin, what did he work with you on in the room? Just the page 11A. Did you finish 11A?
Yeah.
You finished page 11A?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
Okay, how did you find the formula? That was a new formula that Gavin taught you.
Oh,
Was it
that
okay?
formula. It was
Yes, the
a
plus.
pretty easy formula.
Pretty easy formula?
Yeah.
Okay, can you
It was just
turn
a
to
formula.
page? Mhm.
It's just a formula where you are counting with the abacus and you don't have space to add, and then you use the formula.
Mhm. Okay,
And then
good.
you
It
get the
seems that
answer.
you know how to do it. All right, so what's gonna happen is I'm gonna get Eric. So you still only have pen and paper, but let's see. I'm going to can't share 2 screens at the same time. How about this? Are you on a laptop, Eric? Or are you on an iPad?
No, I'm on an iPad.
An iPad, okay. Then I will do this then. I'm gonna put half my screen as a formula, and then my other half of my screen is going to be me teaching Timmy, okay? Just because today Gavin had to leave early, so I had to teach both you guys at the same time. So I'm gonna split my screen. But what you're gonna do is okay, so on the left side, Eric, this is for you. On the right side is for Timmy, okay? So on the left side, can you write out these numbers, Eric? 1 plus 6 minus 2 plus 3. So you're gonna do this on your, oh, you don't even have an abacus. Okay, never mind, you can't do this question. You're going to do this one. You don't have an abacus yet, so I'm gonna get you to write down your answers of this. Can you see it or is it too small?
I can't see it.
You can't see it? It's too small?
I can see it.
Oh, you can see it. Okay. All right. On the left side, you're going to put the answers. So do you see how this is number 6? You're going to write 6, put your answers this way in a row horizontally, and do the second row, do the third row, do the fourth one. And then after, you just say the answers and I'll double check with you. Okay? Just write down the answers on your piece of paper. So this is just reading the beads because you don't have an abacus yet. All right, and then on the right, okay, and on the right side, I'm gonna be teaching Timmy, okay? All right, Angel, you are done?
Yep. 3A done.
3 done, you're speedy today. You've done 3 pages. Okay, so next week, I'll probably start listening with you, but can you turn the page to,
3.
no, skip and do the multiplication page. I feel like you would have fun with this one. Have you learned multiplication yet?
Multiplications yet.
You haven't learned multiplication yet? Oh, you're learning in grade 3 now. You haven't started. Okay. Then I will teach you this one next week. Turn to page 3 then.
Okay.
I'll teach you some multiplication next week. I'll write that down. Multiplication for Angel.
What
I
happens
forgot.
if I 3?
Hmm?
What happens if I finish 3?
Well, when you're done 3, then class will be over.
I hope not.
Okay, so this one is you're gonna do 62, but then now they're single digits. It's the same as usual, but you just don't have to touch this one will have formulas in it. You'll have to remember your formulas. This one might be a little more challenging than the other ones you just did. Okay, Timmy. So let's open up Timmy's book to page 12. Can you go to page 12, Timmy?
Page 12.
Yep, the one behind 11A.
Okay.
All right, let's go to the first question. What are the 3 numbers that you see in front of you?
4, 1, and 3.
Yes, 4, 1, and 3. So let's do that on your abacus. So if I want to add 4, I would just thumb up 4, right? From there, how do I add 1 now? You're going to look on the right side of the screen. Okay, Timmy?
You keep cutting
How would
off.
I add? Is it my Wi-Fi?
I think so.
Okay, I'll talk a little slower.
It's your Wi-Fi because you're also lagging for me.
Okay, I'm sorry, my Wi-Fi is so slow. All right, I'll talk a little slower. Is that better?
Oh, I didn't know you were using Bell. My grandma uses
You're
Bell, but
roasting my
over here
Wi-Fi.
I also use Koodle.
Yes, I use Bell. That's probably why my Wi-Fi is so slow. Okay, so Timmy, if I have 4 and I want to add 1, how would I add 1 now? I don't have enough beads down here, so I need to ask for help. How would I add 1 then?
How would you add 1?
First question, number 4 plus 1 plus 3. How do I add 1?
I'm just following the
I don't have
form.
enough beads down here. Okay, so read the formula to me. Tell me what I have to do.
Okay, 4 equals, plus 4 equals plus 5 minus 1. So it says,
Okay, so let's look at your first question. Okay, Timmy?
okay,
4 plus 1 plus 3. The first number, we always just put that number on our abacus. You don't need a formula for this first question. This one right here. 4, right? I don't need a formula because I can just thumb up 4, right? So only time I use a formula, you don't have enough beads. Do you have enough beads to put up 4 right now? Yes, you do, right? You have nothing and you're gonna thumb up 4. Next, I wanna add 1. Can I thumb up another 1 bead down here?
now
Can I thumb up another bead down here, Timmy? No, right? If I cannot, that means I need to use my formula and ask for help. So let's look at number 1. We're doing the second number, right? What does number 1 say the formula tell us to do?
it says 1 equals plus 5 minus 4.
Good job. So right now I need to do that on my abacus. Plus 5 minus 4. Good job. We finished the second number. Last number is 3. Add 3. Do I need a formula to add 3 right now? On my abacus? No, right? I can just thumb up 3. 1, 2, 3. And what's my final answer?
8.
Yes. Okay, so write 8 for the first question. Okay, I think did Gavin talk about friends to you for this formula? Did he talk about friends?
Oh, yes, he did.
Okay, what's 2's friend?
2's friend is 3.
What's 1's friend?
1's friend 2.
Nope. Okay. I want you to be so quick with your friends. So I'm going to, sorry, wait 1 sec, Eric. I put the wrong one up. Okay, you can still see yours. All right, let's go to the formula. Okay, before you even go to the formula, this is how I like to teach my formula. So can you put up one hand up to me? Your one
Okay.
hand. How many fingers do you have on your one hand?
5.
Yes, okay, so we call this the +5 formula because there's 5 fingers in your one hand. If I put down any of my fingers, that tells me the friend. So one's friend is, I'm gonna put 1 finger down, one's friend is, how many fingers do I have left?
4.
Yeah, so one's friend is 4. If I put down and I ask you, what's 3's friend? Put down 3 fingers, 1, 2, 3. 3's friend is?
2.
Yes, okay, that's how you're gonna simply remember it. So if I talk about it again and I quiz you, what is 2's friend?
Oh, 2's friend? 2's
What's 2's
friend.
friend?
2's friend is 3.
Yes, what's 3's friend?
3's friend is 2.
What's 1's friend?
1's friend is 4.
What's 4's friend? What's 4's friend? Come on, you'll be quick, so fast. What's 4's friend?
Okay, I'm just figuring it out.
Okay, if you don't know, put down 4 fingers. Simple. What's 4 fingers down? How many fingers do I have
1.
left? Yes, 4's friend is 1, okay? That's how I simply remember. So what does the relationship with friends have though? If I want to add 1, okay, let's say on one of my questions, like the first one, I need to add 1. If I need to add 1 and I don't have enough beads, I'm going to always add 5. I'm gonna minus my friend. So do you see the blue, light blue? Plus and minus are opposite symbols. So if I want to add 1, I'm gonna minus my friend downwards. If I want to add 2, I'm gonna add 5, then minus my friend. What's 2's friend again, Timmy?
3.
Yes, so if I want to add 2, I need to minus my friend, which is 3. That's why the friends are so important, because it tells you what to minus, okay? If I want to add 4, I need to minus my friend, which is 1, okay? So let's go back to question 2. Question 2 is 2 plus 4 minus 5. How would I do that on my abacus? So first number you see, you can always just thumb up. You don't need a formula because your abacus is cleared, right? There's nothing touching the middle. So question 2 is 2 plus 4 minus 5. I can just thumb up 2 beads. If I want to add 4, how would I add 4 then? Do you have 4 beads down here to thumb up to me?
Yeah.
Yes, you have 4 beads down here. I only see 2
No.
down here. No, right? If I cannot add 4, what does my formula tell me to do to add 4?
You can do.
I see that Eric's done, huh?
Use the formula.
What does it say to add 4? What does it say? You're going to read it to me.
It says -1.
But what do I do before minusing 1? I always need to what?
5.
Yes, so add 5 minus 1. Good job. And then the last number is minus 5. So I can just finger up the 5 and my answer is?
1.
Yes, okay, write 1 for question 2. All right, try question 3 by yourself to me and tell me what you get. Eric, are you done? Yes, okay, can you show me? I'm gonna stop sharing so I can see your paper. Let me see. I'm gonna make you bigger so I can read. Okay, so your first number is 8, 5, 6, 1, 7, 2, 5, 0, 4, 3. Good job. Okay, can you read me your second row, Eric? That way we can do it together. Read me the second row.
7, 6, 2, 3, 0, 6, 8, 5, 4, 9.
Good job. Okay, third row.
6, 3, 5, 1, 7, 2, 8, 4, 0, 7.
Awesome. Okay. Oh, you keep going. Keep going.
0, 6, 1, 5, 4, 9, 3, 2, 8, 6.
Wow, excellent job, Eric. You got 100% on reading the beads. How did you find that? Was that hard or easy? Was it easy or hard?
It's easy.
It's easy. Okay, next time when you have your abacus, it's going to get a little harder, okay? Then we can actually do some math questions if you decide to continue. Just because this is, you don't have an abacus, so we can only play with reading the beads. But, okay, I'm going to check in with the other students, but we're almost going to wrap up class, okay? All right, Timmy, did you finish question 3?
Yeah.
What did you get?
2.
Your answer is 2?
Yeah.
What 3 numbers do you see on the question 3?
6, 3, and 7.
Question, okay, so are you on page 12? Are you on page 12, Timmy?
Yeah.
What 3 numbers are on question? It says 5, but it's the third question. What's the 3 numbers you see? This page 12, question 3. 3 plus 3 minus 1. Did you do
Finish.
this one? Okay, Angel, you're done?
Oh, no. I did not do that one. Okay.
So which one did you do? Did you do page 13?
Yep, I did.
Okay, that's okay. All right, did you write your answers for that page though?
Yeah.
So what did you get for this answer then? If you did this one. What's your answer for the third question?
Let me go to page 13.
Yeah, I know you did the wrong one, but so what did you get though for your answer?
Okay, page 13. Oh, 2.
You still got 2. Okay. We're gonna redo this question. Angel, you finished page 3?
Yes,
Okay, just stay there. After I help Timmy, then I want to mark this page because I think this one's a little hard.
okay, give me.
Okay, you can just wait for 2 seconds. All right, so Eric, we're almost done for today, but you can keep listening, and then when it hits 5 p.m., I will let you leave, okay? Okay, so Timmy, yeah, you can just listen because I think you can listen to Timmy explain this question. All right, so what are, no, my pages. All right. Are you on page 13, Timmy?
Yeah.
Are you page 13, Timmy?
Yeah.
All right. Question. Did you finish this one though? The first one?
Oh, yeah.
Only did this one, right? Number 3.
I did that one.
Okay, so what 4 numbers do you see then? 6 plus 3 minus 7 plus 3, right? So
Yeah.
first number is 6. I'm going to put 6 on my abacus like this. 6, right? 6 plus 3. How do you add 3, Timmy? How are you going to add 3 on your
Push-
abacus? I can
Push
just...
up the lower beat. Oh, the lower beat.
Yes, perfect. Add 3. Then I need to do what? Minus 7. How do I take away 7?
Push up one of the upper beads
Mhm.
and push down two of the lower beads.
Awesome. All right. Last number is what? 3. How do I add 3 now?
Add 3.
How do I add 3? Can I film up 3 beads down here?
It's 5
No. Okay, thank you, Angel. So how do I add 3 then? What does the formula say to me? Add 3 is plus 5 minus the friend, right? What's 5? What's 3's friend?
2.
Yes, so I'm going to add 5, then minus 3's friend, which is 2. So my answer is
5.
yes. Okay, can you fix your answer to 5 instead of 2?
I did it.
Okay, so, all right. For your homework, Timmy, I'm going to give you something like this, not 4 digits, a little simpler, okay? All right, so we're done class for today. I'm just going to let everyone know what they're going to have for homework.